अ, नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं अनुराग आप लोगों के सामने एक क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ उसका सलूशन लेके आ रहा हूँ। एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ आस्क्ड इन द CSIR नेट JRF एग्ज़ाम in the subject mathematics from section A, and this question belongs to the chapter probability. क्वेश्चन आपको स्क्रीन में जो दिख रहा है, मैं इसको एक बार पढ़ देता हूँ और इसकी लैंग्वेज आपको कोशिश करता हूँ समझाने की. I know several peoples already have done with this, but many of you may have some problems in understanding the problem and solution. And one of my friend Omkar, who is preparing for CSIR NET JRF, and he is also doing PhD from Banaras Hindu University, but because he is not done with the JRF, so he is trying to do that. So he is right now solving question papers, previous year question papers. So one day he asked me this question, and finally on his demand, I thought I should put this question with full solution, detailed solution in the YouTube channel, so that all others can be benefited from this. And see, he also told me that the solution of this question is not available in internet forum, because they require some subscription to watch the answer of this question and solution of this question. So I thought that I should put it. Okay. So the question is, a square board is divided into 9 smaller identical squares. Now you have a big square board and you want to divide it into 9 smaller identical squares by drawing lines. So I have drawn lines L1, L2, L3, L4, and I have a big square box ABCD, and 3 bullets are shot at the board randomly. And now we have 3 bullets and we want to sort all these 3 bullets randomly, है ना? अभी तो randomly sort कर रहे हैं. Then he is asking the probability that at least 2 bullets hit the same small square. अरे कम से कम 2 bullets same square box में hit करेंगे. So let us assume that let B1, B3, B2 and B3 are 3 bullets. Clear? So what are the possibilities he wants in the question? First, he wants exactly 2 bullets. There may be chances that exactly 2 bullets hit the same box, same square. So suppose B1, B2 hit in that box, and B3 can be hit in all remaining 8 boxes. And another choice may be that all the 3 bullets can hit into the same box, same square. Okay, so we want to find the probability of happening this event. So we understand this event by simple observations. So the first is, total number of ways of hitting exactly 2 bullets in the same box, same square. And why I'm saying in the same square means smaller square. Okay, कितने तरीके हो सकते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली 2 बुलेट्स सेम स्क्वायर में जाएं. तो यहाँ पर देखो हमारे पास कितने जॉब हैं. इस बड़े जॉब को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें छोटे छोटे कौन कौन से और जॉब है जिनको हमें करना पड़ेगा. तो द फर्स्ट जॉब इज़ टू सिलेक्ट दोज 2 बुलेट्स आउट ऑफ 3. So you have 3 bullets. You first select 2 bullets जिनको आप सेम बॉक्स पर हिट कराना चाहते हो. So there are total 3 choices. Into once you are done with the selection of 2 bullets, suppose you have selected B1, B2, and you want to hit these 2 bullets on the same box. How many choices are there to select a box, a square out of given 9 squares? So there are 9C1 squares. 1 ways to choose a square. Okay, and once you are done with that square, you just hit those two balls in the same square. Suppose you have chosen this square, and you just hit b1 and b2 here, but you cannot hit b3 here, you cannot hit b3 here, b3 cannot be hit there. So for b3, how many choices are remaining there? So there are 8 remaining boxes, so you just multiply it by 8. So you have 3 jobs. You first select the 2 bullets, so there are 3 2 ways, and then select one square box where you want to hit these 2 selected chosen bullets. So after doing that, there are 91 ways into, now you have one remaining bullet and you have to hit that remaining bullet into 8 remaining boxes. You have choices of 8, so you just multiply it by 8. So there are total 3c2 is 1, 9c1 is 1, 9, and into 8. Okay, so another step is total number of ways of hitting all 3 bullets in the same square. In the same square. See again, because there is no choices of selecting a bullet, because you have to hit 3 bullets, and now you want to hit all 3 bullets on the same box, same square. So there is only one way of choosing 3 bullets, because out of given 3 bullets, you want to choose all 3 bullets. So there is only one way. So you just multiply it by 1 into. Now you must have to select a box square. So there are 9 square available, and you select one square. And once you are done with that square, you hit all 3 bullets in that chosen square, and after doing this, there is only one way. So the answer is 9. Okay. And one more important, total number of ways of hitting 3 bullets on the board. So there is no condition. So in this case, you want to exhaust all those cases of hitting 3 bullets without any further condition. Okay, the first bullet has how many choices? So B1 has how many choices? B1 can be hit any of the 9 boxes. Suppose you just remove this. So now B1 has how many choices? 9 choices. You can hit bullet B1 in any one of the box square. And once you are done with that bullet, B2 again has 9 choices. Because on hitting the bullet in any one of the square, it will not remove the square from the box, okay, from the board. So again B2 has 9 choices, and B3 again has 9 choices. So total number of choices are 9 into 9 into 9, and the required probability, fourth one, the probability of hitting at least 2 bullets on the same square equal to total number of favorable outcomes. And what are the favorable outcomes? These are the favorable outcomes. 3 into 9 into 8 plus 9 divided by 9 into 9 into 9, and that is equals to, if you take 9 common from the numerator, so 3 into 8. And in generally mathematicians ignores these intermediate steps, but these steps are helpful for those who are really very lazy in mathematics. So now this is 24 plus 1, that is 25, and by you just cross this, and this is 2081. So answer equals to 25 is not 25 by 81. So this is the answer. And the correct option is option number 3. आई थिंक आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सलूशन पसंद आना चाहिए, वीडियो पसंद आए या ना आए. और माफ़ करिएगा अगर मेरी वॉइस आप लोगों को उतनी क्लियर ना हो पाई हो, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेरी प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन इन दिस टैबलेट, है ना. आई रेयरली रिकॉर्ड समथिंग, बट